What does it take to elevate your yachting experience? Is it the thrill of unmatched performance? The allure of sophisticated luxury? Or innovation that brings you closer to the water than ever before? With Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly, you don't have to choose one. You can have it all. Join me as we explore what makes the 57 Fly from Cruisers Yachts truly special. At the bow, the foredeck is your ultimate oasis, perfect for lounging, stargazing, or savoring a sunset cocktail. Thoughtfully designed with integrated cup holders, an exceptional sound system, and optional shading, it's a space crafted for pure relaxation. Here at the aft deck, unique features include a submersible swim platform, a lowering transom sun lounge, and a veranda for enhanced entertainment at sea. The transom area includes a dayhead and ample storage, with the option to upgrade to a captain's quarters. Designed with performance in mind, the hull offers smooth, stable cruising. Designed in collaboration with DLBA for handling and efficiency. With integrated joystick steering, improved fuel consumption, and sound-deadening materials, your cruising experience is not only quieter, but surprisingly efficient. Maximized for entertainment, the 57 Fly boasts one of the largest flybridge floor plans in its class. The molded flybridge steps make accessing this entertainment space incredibly easy. From spacious seating to an impressive galley, it's perfect for hosting with 2 refrigerators and a Kenyan grill. Stepping inside, the innovative Debasto designed interior seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Notice the luxurious touches throughout. Uniquely styled furniture, high-gloss finishes, and high-tech integration. The open layout, expansive windows, and clear sightlines make the salon and galley feel like one continuous space, perfect for entertaining or relaxing with an incredible view. Step into the full-beam owner's suite, where you'll find ample space, an expansive closet, and massive hull-side windows filling the room with natural light. The floating bulkhead styling and integrated accent lighting elevate the experience to super yacht levels. Your en-suite head offers elegant finishes and spaciousness that redefine onboard living. Guests and family won't be left out either, with equally luxurious accommodations, including large windows, a skylight, and high-end finishes. The Cruisers Yachts 57 Fly offers an experience that goes beyond the ordinary, crafted to create unforgettable memories for you and your guests. Are you ready to fly? Visit cruisersyachts.com or stop by your local dealer today to begin your journey aboard the all-new 57 Fly from Cruisers Yachts.